Welcome, you're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Truck carrying onions plunges into gorge in southwest Khasi Hills. Driver hospitalized. BSF provides medical care to residents along India-Bangladesh border. Meghalaya domestic workers demand government recognition and support. And expansion plans revealed for Baljek Airport in Garo Hills. And now the news in detail. In the early hours of Tuesday, tragedy struck on Thepdingan Kenyong Road in southwest Khasi Hills district as a truck laden with onions veered off the road and plummeted into a deep gorge. The driver sustained severe injuries and has been swiftly transported to Shillong Hospital for urgent medical attention.
Yang sena kali. Ujai kebae na bentai.
On February 20th, the Border Security Force BSF of India organized a humanitarian initiative, Sima Praharis, aimed at providing medical assistance to residents of Muktapur, Jaliakola, Sinkat and Linkat. The program catered to the healthcare needs of over 400 individuals, focusing on children, women and the elderly. BSF doctors administered examinations, medical care and distributed essential medicines. Additionally, household tools were provided to the communities. This gesture was met with immense gratitude from the villagers, showcasing the BSF's commitment to aiding those in need and fostering goodwill in border regions. Since 2012, the All Meghalaya Domestic Workers Union had been advocating for the inclusion of domestic work in government oversight and fair compensation for their labor. On February 20th, the organization convened with the media representatives at the Shillong Press Club to reiterate their demands to the government. They emphasized the significance of governmental intervention to improve the working conditions of those employed in household roles. Their cause has garnered support from the National Domestic Workers Movement. Key requests include integration into welfare boards, access to medical assistance, and protection from wage deductions during sick leave. The union's concerns highlight issues such as inadequate pay and financial penalties for health-related absences. Their collective efforts aim to secure essential rights and recognition for domestic workers, ultimately striving for a fairer and more equitable labor landscape.
Present here for today's conference, and also I welcome to all the union leaders of the Domestic Workers Union and the DICE member who are going to be discussed about today's conference with regards to the issues and problem of the domestic workers which are facing today. And this conference is not only conducted in Meghalaya, Shillong, it was conducted in all over India. So once again, I welcome to all of you, and now I hand over to our Vice President, Khuborjylla Nongkla.
Na kami kapwa sa kawe nilaju pelong yang di conference hakaba nilaju hakakarteng hijau ko movement hangina na long kong Vice President of All Meghalaya Domestic Workers Union. Depengin po ba bonsin ba ya kakam kajami kabangi tre yin brio ba kasarkar kan itu no yang ikum kawe na gijaikam. Nama kiba pun na kiriu kathe hangni hapo sar Shillong jongi diki hajar ki long kemi kiba yemda kali ka kam ka batri yingbriu hakaba ki pendap ya ka yeng ka sem ka jongki haka jing yeng ka jongki ka ki pentelong ka mana ka si te ni bu hakama jong sarkar ken ba pun sin gela aju kerpa ya kali ka jing dawa ba kan itu ya ka kam ka jongi khna bu yo ya kita kila jingada la ba ken thau ya ka ai na ka benta kita kinong praying brio ba induk dan kam yang tara itu bangin kamtam hakaba dan idon haka an kamun ladang mimi na ye bangin tre shekiwe pat ki ing brio bangin dan yang tara jing singan wala kan long hasinong ne saba jong sinong te kajing dot kam ka jongi kalong ga habangin dan ki jaka tre ne ki jaka ta ka jongi kamun ke ka bangi jule kajing tre jongi kibat tre belai yang brio hoi ka sarkar kala akan thuk yangi hapo ka keten jong ki lebo henre kabang ko akan kran hane ka lomba ni kajing tre ka jongi kibat tre yang brio kamlong ki jing tre ki ba ki construction workers ki bangi tre hapo ki jing i ki pai ba mo hapo ba i henre kakam ka jongi kalong shadien jong ka jing khan ka bakam te hang tu hapo ke ai ka bakan ja ke ai ka bakan kam jungi nimla kan teu te nakta kadang bidang kam ya kata ka security ka ba undan kata ka jia da bakartam nak banta jungi ki batre yang brio te pun sien hiru ngila ju summit lu ya kini ki memorandum aman bada di conference nak banta kini ki mat jindawa ki jungi nak sarkar bat hadu ka nta ni pajiyo.
Minister of Transports Nyo Bhalang Dhar disclosed plans for Baljek Airport's expansion, citing the need for 60 acres to accommodate larger flights. The announcement came in response to MLA Miani D. Shira's inquiry, signalling a significant development for air travel in the region.
I have a reply from the Ministry of Civil Aviation. So, no bidder is interested to bid for this small aircraft, so now it gets stuck to that only. But anyway, we are follow up this matter very seriously to get even a smaller aircraft to operation.
Yes, pardon.
Sir, may I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister the amount of money spent for the construction of this airport?
Mr. Speaker, not yet, because we have to acquire first the land, and then DPR for the infrastructure will be made. As of now, no money has been spent because we are still yet to acquire another 68 acres of land.
So, what I mean to say is that since this airport which has been constructed has not been made operational, so what the total amount of money that has been spent already?
Mr. Speaker, sir, so actually for the land acquisition for the second phase is 3 crore, 1,29,000, but for the whole amount right from the day one actually is information is not with me, so I require notice for that. How much amount has been spent so far in this airport? So information is not me, Mr. Speaker, so I require notice for that.
Dr. Ampreen Lingdor reassured Rekanat farmers of government assistance in light of declining prices, responding to concerns raised by UDP MLA Lakman Rumbui. Emphasizing ongoing support initiatives, the government seeks to alleviate hardships faced by farmers, highlighting a commitment to bolstering agricultural resilience.
Honorable Speaker, sir, it is correct that there seems to be indicators that there has been a surge or an increase in the production of aracanut in the state of Meghalaya. However, this data, sir, may be viewed from a perspective that in all likelihood, sir, in the earlier years, there have been weak application of data collection. So we see now that after the Department of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare has increased its research facilities, we are now able to give a better data information about the growing of areca nut in and around the state of Meghalaya. Number two, sir, it is a fact that areca nut growing is very productive and progressive for farmers in the state of Meghalaya. And in order to ensure that the department utilizes all this data effectively, we have placed certain interventions to further assist farmers in growing of areca nut, marketing of areca nut plantation, sir. Honorable member is correct, sir. Government now is trying to ensure that it assists farmers growing areca nut in various ways. One, sir, is the institutioning of farmer cooperatives so that farms or farmers engaged in areca nut growing collectively connect together and have common facilities in various parts of the state, sir. We now have about 46 such farmer cooperatives, and these cooperatives, sir, are being assisted in several ways. We give them various opportunities for the stocking of areca nut because the shelf life of areca nut is also very short. So we have also assisted farmers in creation of hubs where we have provided these cooperatives with sheds where they can store, stock, dry and peel these areca nuts.
Amidst escalating swine flu fatalities among pigs, the Congress MLA representing Mauhati highlighted the plight of pig owners in the assembly. The MLA's concern drew attention to the challenges faced by these breeders in light of the increasing death toll. In response, the Minister of Veterinary and the Chief Minister elucidated various themes, particularly focusing on protective and preventive measures.
So there's no such of the African swine flu, but there's African swine fever.
Yes.
So the question number one is the vaccinations. Vaccinations available, sir. Number two, about the deaths of the pigs. I'd just like to, in the East Khasinews number 9, Riboy district 760, West Garo Hill district 149, West Khasinews 48, South Garo Hill 7, and Eastern and Western Khasinews is 1. Sir. And about the third question you have asked.
Loan.
Yeah.
About the loan.
Okay. The loan repay is just in the 8 years, sir, to repay the loans.
Okay, thank you so much for the reply. Mr. Speaker, sir, now I know from the Honorable Minister what is the problem that the department or the government cannot give compensation to the piggery farmers.
So this is, they have the component of insurance in the scheme, sir. So they don't have any compensations.
Okay. Sir, as per my information, many farmers had lost their pigs. And one piggery mission in my constituency, that is nearby my village only, Nongka village, informed me that about 90 number of pigs died. It's really a great loss to the farmers. And they keep asking me from where we will get the money to repay the loans. Will the department, may I know from the Honorable Minister, will the department will consider to give some compensation to the farmers. May I know from the Honorable Minister?
So the suggestions of the honourable member is noted, but that
I'm asking, it's not my suggestion, I'm asking, will the department have any intention to give compensation to the farmers, piggery farmers?
So we have already noted down, but only we have the components of the insurance, no compensation at present, that we already replied, sir.
One more, sir. As I have said, that it's really a great loss to our farmers, piggery farmers. I have one suggestion from my side, sir. I request the government of the day to kindly take any steps. If not in full amount, at least something is better than nothing, so that a farmer, piggery farmer, will restart the piggery farming in the state. This is my suggestion to the concerned department and to the Honorable Ministers.
So the insurance is about 4,000 rupees per pig, sir. If that farmers have lost 90 pigs, sir, they can claim the insurance, sir. It does give it 4,000 per pig, sir.
But the problem, sir, the problem that we have, see, sir, I got the information that many piggery farmers, many of them has no information for that. They don't know about all the information, especially for the insurance, that they have to, bring the pigs for the post-mortem and all. I got the information because in my constituency also, especially in Khubor district, many piggery farmers has got no information for that. So may I request the Honorable Minister in charge to kindly take it seriously so that all the farmers, piggery farmers, will get all the information.
So while they avail the loans, all the information has been given to all the those who have already applied for the loans, those who have already availed the loans. But whatever suggestion given by the Honorable MLA, which has been noted down, sir, to get the
MLA of Mauplang, MB Kurba, questioned the status of the Science and Commerce College construction. Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma responded, stating that the project is 72% complete with a target completion date set for June 2024. Concerns linger amid the ongoing progress.
Speaker, sir. Reply to question number 32. Sir, A, sir, the status of the work for construction is 72%. B, sir, 30 June 2017. C, sir, 36.55 crores. D, sir, rupees 14 crore 815 crore. 14.815 crores. Sir. E, sir, June 2021, and the total amount paid is 14 crore 815 crores. F, sir, June 2024. G, sir, the class will commence after the completion of the buildings and recruitment of the faculty and the staff. S, sir, no, sir.
Honourable member, please. Parliamentary questions.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I would like to thank the Minister in charge of Education for this elaborate reply on my question. So I would like to know from the Minister in charge, why there's so much delay on this? Is it because of revised cost estimate and the department could not reply to the question raised by the Central Ministry? Number two, sir. Is it possible to complete this project in June 2024? As of now, there is no sign of works in that place, the site of Mauplang College. And also, you will need to provide power supply and water supply as well. To get power supply from ECL will take a lot of time, not less than 6 months. So it will not be possible for the government to complete this work by June 2024. So I would request the Honourable Minister through you, sir, to speed up this work and to get the necessary allocation of funds from the central ministry so that the concerned contractors can continue with the works and this college also can start functioning, maybe, if not latest by next year academic session. With this few words, sir, I would like to request the Minister to clarify on my questions.
Speaker, sir, he has put 2-3 questions at one time, so I have to do the same, sir. Sir, the delays was for various issues and various reasons. So the earlier target was supposed to be 2020. However, sir, delay happened due to delay in handing over of the land. That was one of the issues that happened. And also, and the delay was also happened due to the delay in releasing the second installment by the ministry. And also, sir, the issue of the delay was because of COVID-19 issue. And so, as he added 2-3 questions together, I'm to do the same. So I think I'm sure, because only yesterday we have the second installment we have released to the implementing agency. So we're.
In a recent assembly session, Arden Miller Basayomoit, the MLA of VPP from Nongkrem, voiced concern over preserving the origin of Lakadong turmeric in Jaintia Hills. He urged the government to implement measures to prevent other regions from claiming this renowned product's origin. Lakadong turmeric holds significant cultural and economic importance in the area. Basayomoit emphasized the need to protect the unique identity of Jaintia Hills turmeric, highlighting its value to the local community.
Minister in charge to reply, please.
Honourable Speaker, sir, I am grateful and thankful to the Honourable Member of Nongkrem for having raised this important matter. So Meghalaya Lakadong turmeric is one of the finest varieties of turmeric in the world and is grown exclusively in Jaintia Hills region with significant involvement of women farmers and entrepreneurs in its cultivation and processing. Over 13,000 farmers from about 124 villages covering 2,130 hectares of land are engaged in the cultivation of this miracle spice. Lakadong turmeric is considered to be one of the world's best variety of turmeric, with curcumin content up to 12%, outshining other turmeric varieties, which typically contain only 2 to 3% of curcumin. This high curcumin content enhances the health aiding and culinary attributes of Lakadong turmeric, making it highly sought after in national and global markets, especially in the post-COVID era. The high curcumin content is a result of the favorable soil and climatic conditions of the region surrounding the villages and the tender care given to the crop by the farmers. Despite the immense potential, farmers face multiple challenges in terms of unavailability of planting material, inadequate infrastructure, presence of multiple intermediaries, and limited access to finance. All these led to low price realization for the farmers. To bring about positive changes in the value chain of Lakadong turmeric, the government of Meghalaya launched the Mission Lakadong for a holistic value chain development. The mission supported farmers through capacity building, technology adoption, and access to remunerative markets. The intervention enabled a sustainable transition towards a more equitable and remunerative income generation option for the turmeric farmers of the state. These interventions helped the Lakadong turmeric to stand out and garner much attention from all fronts, leading to high demand from both national and global markets. Taking advantage of the default organic nature of the crop and its high curcumin content, a number of market players have been making inroads into the villages of Jaintia Hills to source the Lakadong turmeric. However, this has led to a concerning trend of mislabeling and marketing the turmeric products from other regions and states as Lakadong turmeric. Therefore, to protect the authenticity of Lakadong turmeric from the Jaintia Hills region of the state, the application process for geographical indication or the GI tag was initiated in the year 2019. A GI tag is a form of intellectual property which is used on goods or products that have a specific geographical location or origin and possesses quality of a reputation due to that origin. The basic objective of the GI tag is to prevent unauthorized use of a registered geographical indication. The GI tags are issued as per Geographical Indication of Goods Act of 1999 by Geographical Indication Registry under the Department of Industry Promotion and Internal Trade, Mission of Commerce and Industry, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. After a series of hearings and clarifications, the Registrar of GI in Chennai officially awarded the GI tag number 741 to Lakadong turmeric for East Jaintia Hills and West Jaintia Hills district on the 29th.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.